What is up, folks? Justin Khanna here. Do you need a new chef knife? Are you just trying to nerd out on some gear with me? This video is actually part of a side-by-side series comparison of some really fantastic knives from small independent makers and larger companies alike. If you want to check that out, go ahead and click or tap right here. This video is individual knife specific, so let's get right into it. I wanted to make this one the first knife in the series because these makers actually got the ball rolling on this entire 2.0 series. So this is from the Sabol brothers. Andy specifically was kind enough to send this knife out, as well as their Petty. They have another one that's part of this different kind of handle material, but more on this one later. And these both got sent out months ago. Shout out to everyone on Patreon who's going to be eligible to win this one. So on paper here, we've got an 8-inch chef knife with a super tall profile. Contrast that with a knife I've covered on the channel before, the Bunka, and you can see how tall this actually is. They're almost the same height. The steel on this one is a Bowler N690, which Andy told me was from a small batch of softer blades that they made, and it's been heat treated to be 58 Rockwell hardness for easier sharpening. They've got a plethora of other steels that they use. Apparently 90% of their knives are over 60 Rockwell hardness rating, so this is on the softer end, but he mentioned to me that they will go all the way up to an S390 PMHSS that goes all the way up to 68 or 69 Rockwell hardness, which is just stupid hard. For anyone that's new to knives, this doesn't necessarily mean higher quality knives. It might also be a detriment because they can be more brittle and prone to chipping. Handle on this is a brown ebony. Ferrule here is made from Juma, and the spacers are made from Juma Dragon in this beautiful blue color, and then AISI 304 stainless steel. Maybe you noticed it when I flashed it earlier on the Petty. The saya for this is also super unique. This is just a custom fit wooden saya with a wooden pin, but they use this crazy arts and crafts technique called decoupage to make every single one of these different, and it honestly makes for one of the most unique sayas I've ever seen. Talking about use on this knife, if I had to describe this knife in one word, it's smooth. There's literally one edge on this knife, and it's going to be the one that's in contact with the board. The bolster is smooth, the heel of the handle is smooth, this is tapered down, the spine is beveled down as well, which I personally love. There's a seamless joining of the blade to the handle. The cutting experience is fantastic with that super tall profile and a really comfortable length for my hands as well. I just personally really feel comfortable doing a ton of chopping prep with this. If you're a kind of chop and scoop kind of prepper, this is going to be a dream for you to use. Plus that beveled spine just feels... Now, you might have heard me mention that this is one of their softer blades, and I think I can attest to that. If you're going to use this at home only, putting a nice edge on this is going to last you absolutely for weeks. On the professional side, if this is going to be your workhorse, I think you would be best keeping a honing rod close nearby, just to periodically kind of keep that edge in shape and then resharpen it once per week. Because they are so small batch, they're pretty elusive about the price, also because a lot of their prices depend on the materials that they're using. So if you're interested in winning this one, it's valued at this price that I have on the screen right now. I think because they are so small and custom on each piece, you're better off just following them on Facebook or any of the links that I have down low in the description to learn more. Do you want a chance to win this knife? It's completely free. Please leave me a comment down below with your favorite feature of this knife. Please get some color on that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Yes, I check if you're subscribed when I pick a winner. And I look forward to getting this on your cutting board ASAP. Thank you so much for your attention. My name is, of course, Justin Khanna, and I hope you have a good one.